Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get weird blocks in Block Blast. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. You just have to simply launch your Block Blast application and then tap on the classic mode. Now once you are here, you will see the board that will look something like this. But let's say you don't want to get this board, so you will have to click on this gear icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and tap on the replay option. Now once you tap on replay, now you can see that our board is reset and now it is showing me all the blocks in a weird manner. So here you can just place these blocks like this and you can play your game. If you don't like it, you just have to simply tap on the gear icon again and you just have to keep on tapping on replaying option until you get your desirable block in front of you. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.